I don't know. Y'all want to see me autodidact for a second? We'll see if it'll still flow when I'm on camera. That's where we are now. Where is this? Oh, it's the Situation Room. You know. Don't go down the... Oh! Oh! What's that? Like a square dance? Square, yeah? Put it in the floor where the other one went. Where I can find them. This one's not working very good, is it? Burgundy, brown and burgundy, brown and burgundy. Now I get to paint it. Oh, yeah. This is my break room in the wintertime. So that I contain my stinkiness to this room and out the window. Yeah, clean. I've been cleaning. Can't get it open. Don't want to go. Okay, fine. Well, now I'll just bring in some paints, yeah? Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Have a good night.